Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Do It With Us. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix and adjust your Messenger video call camera settings. If your camera isn't working during video calls, don't worry. Let's get started. The camera settings are not inside the Messenger app. You need to go into your phone settings. Open the Settings app on your phone. Then look for Apps, Manage Apps, or App Management. Once you're there, search the Messenger and tap on it. Go to App Permissions and then tap Camera. Make sure the camera permission is set to Allow Only while using the app. If it's set to Don't Allow, Messenger won't be able to use your camera during video calls, so make sure it's allowed. If you're still having camera issues, it might be because your Messenger app is outdated. Open the Google Play Store or App Store and search for Messenger. If you see an Update button, tap Update. Updating the app can fix bugs and camera problems. And that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.